Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you today how to download Git and install it in Windows. We will go to Git website, then we click in Windows, then we will click on 64-bit Git for Windows setup. The file will be downloaded. After we download it, we will click on the file to install it. Then we will click on next, next, then next. Then we will click finish. After that we will go to cmd, then we will type get version to check the version. Here is the version of Git. So now we installed Git. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in next video.